If you're even thinking about buying an Apple TV right now, stop, put your wallet away, and cancel your order. What Apple is about to release is going to completely destroy the current lineup. And if you buy a streaming box today, you're going to deeply regret it in just a few short weeks. We finally have the massive leaks for the brand new 2026 Apple TV 4K. And let me tell you, this is not just another minor speed bump or a tiny remote tweak. Apple is fundamentally changing what this little black box can do. We are talking about a terrifying leap in processing power, brand new built-in hardware that users have literally been begging for, crazy new artificial intelligence features that will take over your living room, and a rumored price drop that makes absolutely no sense for an Apple product. This new device is positioning itself to be the absolute center of your smart home, your gaming setup, and your entire entertainment world. You need to hear every single detail of these leaks because this specific update is the biggest living room revolution Apple has attempted in over a decade. For years, the Apple TV 4K has been the premium, slightly overpriced streaming box for people deeply entrenched in the Apple ecosystem. It was reliable, fast, and had a clean interface, but it basically did the exact same thing as a $40 Roku or Amazon Fire Stick, just slightly smoother. Apple essentially left the design and the core purpose unchanged for a very long time. The current model sitting on store shelves is running on the A15 Bionic chip, which is the exact same brain found in the iPhone 13. It is incredibly outdated by today's standards. But recent leaks coming from top-tier supply chain analysts confirm that Apple is completely abandoning their slow-paced update cycle. They are turning the 2026 Apple TV into a full-blown powerhouse. The biggest and most insane change is what is happening on the inside. Apple is heavily rumored to be dropping a desktop-class chip into this tiny box. We're talking about the A17 Pro or potentially even the A18 processor. This is a 3-nanometer piece of silicon that brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing to your television. Why does a streaming box need that much power? Gaming. For years, Apple has tried and failed to make the Apple TV a true gaming console. But with the A17 Pro chip inside, this completely shifts the landscape. This is the exact same chip that is currently running full AAA console games like Resident Evil 4, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed Mirage on the iPhone and iPad. Apple is bridging the gap, allowing you to pair a PlayStation or Xbox controller to your television and play actual high-fidelity console games without needing to buy a $500 console. The massive boost in RAM and graphical power means you will get console-quality lighting, reflections, and zero lag on the biggest screen in your house. But the raw power is not just for gaming. It is the absolute bare minimum requirement for Apple Intelligence. That is right, Apple is bringing their massive artificial intelligence pushed straight into your living room. A smarter, completely revamped Siri is coming to tvOS. Imagine you're watching a movie and you miss a line of dialogue. Instead of clumsily rewinding, you just ask your TV what the character just said, and it instantly understands the context, rewinds, and temporarily turns on the subtitles. Imagine asking your TV to find that one specific movie where a certain actor played a villain in the 90s, and instead of a generic web search, Apple Intelligence instantly pulls up the exact movie, ready to play. The new Apple TV will have on-screen awareness, meaning your voice commands will finally work perfectly based on exactly what you are currently watching or doing. It transforms the experience from basic, frustrating voice shortcuts into a genuinely intelligent assistant sitting on your sofa. Now, let us talk about the craziest hardware leak we have seen so far. Apple is strongly rumored to be adding a built-in camera directly into the Apple TV chassis. Yes, a camera in your streaming box. Right now, if you want to use FaceTime on your TV, you have to awkwardly balance your iPhone against the wall or buy a weird magnetic mount, completely draining your phone battery while you try to sit perfectly still on the couch. It adds so much friction to a feature that should be effortless. The 2026 Apple TV aims to solve this by putting a high-resolution, ultra-wide lens right on the device. This means seamless, instant video calls with your entire family sitting comfortably in the living room, completely hands-free. But it goes way beyond video calls. This built-in camera is expected to introduce incredibly accurate gesture controls. Imagine your remote is lost deep inside the couch cushions, and your phone is charging in the other room. You will be able to simply raise your hand to pause a movie, swipe in the air to skip a track, or make a motion to turn up the volume. It is turning your living room into a futuristic, totally frictionless environment. Under the hood, there's another massive secret weapon Apple is introducing. Leaks confirm the inclusion of a highly advanced custom wireless chip, internally referred to as the N1. This is a game changer for connectivity. The N1 chip will bring modern Wi-Fi 7 capabilities and drastically improve Bluetooth to the Apple TV. In practical terms, this means blazing fast download speeds, absolutely zero buffering when streaming incredibly heavy 4K HDR content, and ultra-low latency for competitive cloud gaming. But more importantly, it upgrades the Thread radio stack. The Apple TV is already a smart home hub, but with the N1 chip, it becomes an unbreakable command center for every single smart device in your house. Your lights, locks, cameras, and thermostats will respond instantly, without the annoying delays you currently get with basic Wi-Fi routers. And then there's the price. This is the part that has everyone shocked. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has an incredibly accurate track record, reported that Apple wants to dominate the living room and realizes they cannot do it at a premium price point. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is expected to drop to a sub-$100 price tag. We are looking at a potential entry-level price of just $79 to $99. Apple is willing to take a massive cut on hardware profits just to get this incredibly powerful AI-driven box into millions of homes. At under $100, it instantly becomes a complete no-brainer, absolutely burying the competition from Roku, Google, and Amazon. The value proposition of getting a smart home hub, an Apple Intelligence server, an arcade console, and a premium 4K streaming device for that price is unheard of. So when is this absolute beast actually launching? The leaks are pointing to two very distinct windows. The first possibility is a massive spring surprise, dropping right around April or May, ahead of their software-heavy WWDC event. This would allow Apple to put the hardware on the market just in time to announce all the crazy new tvOS 18 AI features for developers. The second, more conservative estimate points to the traditional September launch alongside the new iPhones. Regardless of the exact month, one thing is absolutely certain. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is completely finished in the design phase. It is heavily into the supply chain, and it is coming incredibly soon. Do not spend a single dime on the current model. Hold off, save your money, and get ready for the biggest living room upgrade Apple has ever created. Apple just leaked their own living room killer, and the details that just dropped change absolutely everything. If you want the ultimate home theater setup, do not buy another streaming device until you hear this. The brand new 2026 Apple TV 4K is secretly getting a massive overhaul, and it is bringing features that will literally terrify the competition. We're talking about a literal supercomputer chip, a feature that completely eliminates the need for your iPhone during FaceTime, and a price tag that makes absolutely no sense. Let us break down exactly why you need to cancel your current Apple TV order right now. First, Apple is ripping out the old hardware and dropping in the insanely powerful A17 Pro or newer A-series chip. This is the exact same 3nm beast that powers high-end iPhones. This massive processor jump means the new Apple TV is finally capable of running real AAA console games, like Resident Evil and Death Stranding right on your television. No PlayStation or Xbox required. You just pair a controller, and you instantly have a high-end gaming console hiding in your streaming box. But the real reason for this supercharged processor is Apple Intelligence. The new Apple TV will be the absolute brain of your smart home. Siri is getting a total overhaul, bringing on-screen awareness, indeed deep contextual understanding. You can ask complex questions about the exact scene you're watching, pull up hyper-specific movie recommendations, and control your entire house with lightning speed thanks to the brand new custom N1 wireless chip. This custom chip brings Wi-Fi 7, ultra-low latency Bluetooth, and a heavily upgraded thread network, ensuring your streams never buffer and your smart lights react instantly. The most insane leak, however, is the built-in hardware. Multiple sources are confirming Apple is testing a built-in FaceTime camera right on the device. No more awkward magnetic mounts or draining your iPhone battery, just a video call your family from the couch. The camera sits right on the box, tracking you automatically, and it unlocks futuristic gesture controls, allowing you to pause, play, or skip movies just by waving your hand in the air. Here is the best part: the price. To absolutely dominate the living room, Apple is heavily rumored to drop the price tag under $100. A potential $99 entry point for a device that acts as an AI server, a smart home hub, a gaming console, and the best streaming box on the market. With a release date expected in just a matter of months, buying an older model right now is a massive mistake. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is going to redefine television entirely, and it is coming faster than you think.